Hi friends, welcome. Here we have a quadrilateral ABCD, right? Side AB is equal to AD is equal to DC is equal to 5, right? So here we have to find out length BC, right? So let's start. If we meet point A and D, right? This angle is 75 degree, this 90 degree, right? And this side and this side are same, right? So this triangle will be isosceles, right? So this triangle is isosceles, right? Here what will be the angle? This is 90, so this angle will be 45, right? This also will be 45, right? Now remaining angle, this will be 30 degree. Okay, if we take triangle ABD, so using Pythagoras theorem, BD square is equal to AB square plus AD square, right? So BD square is equal to 5, right? So 5 square plus 5 square, right? So BD square is equal to 50, right? So BD is equal to square root of 50 is equal to 5 square root of 2, right? BD is equal to 5 square root of 2, right? Now if we draw a perpendicular from point D to line this, right? So this angle will be 90 degree, right? This also will be 90 degree, right? Let this point is L. Okay. Now we take triangle BLD, right? So sine 30 degree, right? For BLD, theta is 30 degree, is equal to DL, this DL, perpendicular over hypotenuse BD, right? So sine 30 half is equal to DL over BD is this 5 square root of 2, right? So DL will be equal to 5 square root of 2 over 2, right? Now we will take cos 30, right? So DL is 5 square root of 5 over 2. Now cos 30, this will be BL over BD, right? So cos 30 as square root of 3 over 2 is equal to BL over 5 square root of 2, right? So BL, right? So BL is equal to 5 square root of 2 into square root of 3 over 2, right? So BL is equal to 5 square root of 6 over 2, right? So BL, so this length is 5 square root of 2, sorry, I am extremely sorry, square root of 6 over 2, right? 5 square root of 6 over 2. Okay, now we need this length, right? So we will take this triangle, right? DLC, right? Or LCD. So now we will take triangle LCD, right? So CD square, using Pythagoras theorem, CD square, this is equal to LC square plus DL square, right? So CD 5 square is equal to LC square plus DL is this, right? 5 square root of 2 over 2 whole square, 5. So LC square is equal to 25 minus this value 50 over 4, right? So LC square is equal to 50 over 4, right? So LC is equal to square root of 50 over 4, right? So LC is equal to 5 square root of 2 over 2, right? So BC will be equal to BL plus LC, right? BL plus LC, this BL plus LC, BL is this and LC is 5 square root of 2 over 2. So 5 square root of 6 over 2 plus LC 5 square root of 2 over 2, right? So this value will be 5 by 2 square root of 6 plus square root of 2, right? Okay friends, thank you.